I want to spend just a few minutes motivating the course and giving you a roadmap to what I hope you get out of it. The first thing I want to do is illustrate the power of design thinking in solving business problems, and therefore to motivate the importance of mastering these tools and the design thinking process. I also want to make sure you understand when to apply design thinking and when perhaps it doesn't make sense, for what kind of problems it doesn't make sense. I want to give you an overview of the process and what the key steps are in the design thinking process. And then I want to give you specific tools that you can apply now to each of the steps in that design thinking process. Now, of course, we could spend a whole semester on design thinking. And in fact, I've spent a lifetime on trying to master design. But that doesn't mean we can't get a lot out of this short course. I hope to give you enough in this course that you can actually apply it now, that you can use these tools in your daily work and in the challenges that your team faces. But I also hope that by giving you a roadmap to the overall design thinking process, you'll be able to identify areas where you want to dive in more detail and develop more expertise. So with that, let's get started.